so now it is time to install Windows XP. So we will press New, choose a name, Windows, version XP 32-bit, give a little bit more RAM, 512 is sufficient, create a virtual hard disk. That means we will create a file, and this file will behave as if it's a real hard disk inside the virtual machine. So outside it's a file, inside like a real hard disk. We'll choose format VDI, and we will choose dynamically allocated, which gives us the advantage that the file will not occupy the 10 gigabyte immediately, but it will occupy only the space of the data that we copied inside the hard disk. So if we copy 2 gigabyte the hard disk, the size of the file will be just the 2 gigabyte. Yes, it's fine. Oh, now we go on settings. There are some settings I like to change. I don't like the user interface to be on the bottom, I like it on top. We'll choose shared folders, select from the drop down list others, then we go onto this PC, HTTP share. You can choose any file, that's just the one I chose. For this task, USB 1.1 is sufficient. Storage, very important. We need to choose our DVD, our CD. So we go on D, and here I have original Windows XP Pro English Service Pack 2 installation CD as an ISO image. An ISO image is again also a file of a physical device, in this case of a CD-ROM or DVD. So instead of having the original DVD or CD with me, I have a copy of it. That's just a file I can put on a USB stick and or external hard disk and move it from one computer to the other very conveniently. So we'll open it, and now we have mounted it as CD-ROM. So this hard disk will become our C double point, this CD-ROM our D, and our shared folders later will be our drive E. Okay, I will enable IO APIC, and I will give him 2 CPUs. That will speed up things. Okay, let's start. We'll now click inside the window. And press enter, F8, and enter again, because we want to use the grade 1 partition of the whole space of the hard disk. We will choose NTFS quick. Okay, now we reboot. Press enter. Don't press any key now. This user. Now we have to enter the product key. Let's see if it works. Good. We will not give an administrator password for the moment. Leave it there. Again, we leave it at the default settings. We are not part of the domain, so we just leave it there. As a work group with the name work group, which is the default. Okay, we're almost done. Now we can remove the installation CD. Next. Do not activate automatic updates. Skip connectivity. Ready to activate? No, we're not ready to activate. Our user is called user. Next. Thank you. Welcome Windows XP. Okay, first thing we will go under devices, insert guest edition CD image. Auto start will start the program on the CD, letting us install the guest editions. Just say yes, yes, and when asked if you permit the installation of the driver, tell them that you confirm. Close this bubble. Don't want to take the tour now. Continue anyways. Continue anyways. Continue anyways. Reboot now. Good. This concludes the installation of Windows XP. Now we have to secure the system by running Windows updates and so forth, but that's something for the next video. Close.